Airmen from the 102nd Intelligence Wing, Public Affairs Office, and 102nd Force Support Flight recently participated in a joint training event at Otis Air National Guard Base, Cape Cod, Massachusetts. During the exercise, airmen teamed up and cooked meals from mystery ingredients. According to Major Kristen Mullis, commander of the 102nd Force Support Flight, the event is meant to test your airmen more than their cooking skills.
There's followership that we're looking for. Not everybody can be a team lead. Receiving feedback is one of the elements of going up to the judging table and being able to go into the kitchen and use that to go on to the next round and try to implement the things that they were receiving and see how they are able to incorporate into their next meal.
While the training event tested airmen on their culinary creativity, the 102nd Public Affairs Office also used the opportunity to prepare their airmen to ensure mission readiness. The Air Force Public Affairs career field is undergoing a modification. Airmen who traditionally focused on photography are training to become proficient at broadcast journalism. Captain Bonnie Blakely, Chief of Public Affairs, elaborates more on this training event.
This is a great training opportunity for our photojournalist airmen to be able to train on broadcasting equipment, learn how to take video and edit and produce products that they need as part of this consolidation training.
Reporting from Otis Air National Guard Base, Massachusetts, I'm Senior Airman Junhao Yu.